And hoxxi on a bit of a one-man mission here. Sweep through, spots one out towards that mini pit. Oh, and Hunter onto MPL. We've said that before. Now with Simple on the site should be good.
Oh.
Missed the shot. Hunter doubles up. The site now surely lost. Unless Bit can do anything from the pit. They know where he is, and Hunter deletes, destroys. Nico's already on the hunt. Just by virtue of his positioning, he knows they'll likely be cowering on the site. No need for them to move.
They will chase now.
Oh my god! This is bullying! Cyber bullying! The smoke just faded. You're like, okay, let's go save, and okay, double.
I was just saying, JCast is already on the way. hoxxi's in CT spawn.
Match has started.
We see some shooting.
Bullets only go a few centimeters from the players. Oh, this grenade may end this match.
It's the explosion and it's a hit!
What's happening? Did he run out of ammunition? What will he do now?
It's a magazine!
Incredible!
And we have the winner!
Our winner gets a box with incredible skins from Keydrop. We also have something special for all the viewers. With the above promo code, you get 50 cents to start with and 5% bonus from deposit.
А бомба, смотри, не поставил бомбу, да ладно, 3 секунды!
Что? Он выиграл! Что?
Let's not forget, that's a 5-shot magazine. In the corner now, can't see anything. Res drop, 28 seconds. Sight is cut in half, jumping through the smoke into 2 players. High variance play from NIP, not going in their way. Hetrick and Alexi B now remaining. So awkward. Alexi B in the red. Still a one. What? Hold on a second. What? What was that from Alexi B?
How does he do that? He's so low. That is not possible. I gotta see that again. Did they line up? I don't think so.
Has got to be that man. Got to be that guy. Oh, the nades deleting Neo frag one by one. The dominoes start to fall here. Mouse just 2 kills away from moving into the upper bracket. Exertion leading the charge on this one. Dead! Macden steps up into the 2v2. Fiku.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.
Traded by Dexter! What was that? They line up for him. The stars align, the planets align, and it's Kepto.
He saw him for like a split second. That's not okay. That is not okay.
Only it again. Oh no.
Rough.
The disrespect. Imagine dying like this.
Moneasy must be so mad. No, you just laugh. You just laugh. Because if you don't laugh, you'll cry.
9.5 from the judges.
Puta que pariu, que filha da puta.
Oh, that was cute.
Observe.
Oh no, more kills for Liquid without having to see their adversary. That's twice, in fact. Those 2 last deaths for Score. He hasn't played the game, and neither will. Oh, the whole team! What a finale!
And it looks like Nafany is the one actually taking over Inter's spot, so that's something more that's changed.
Nice one. Axile
Drops, perfect flashes. Can he find a second? He can. The trade from Nico, and Twist is dropped as well. 5v5 to 3v3 in a matter of seconds. Now Nico and Rain creep. They're looking for each other. Rain knows Nico's around here somewhere. Nico knows Rain's looking for him, and he's looking for Rain just the same. Brokey holding the bomb for now. Moneasy on the way. Moneasy dropped the bomb, still alive now, making its way down to the vent angles. Will JKS look for it? He does, and he delivers. Brokey in the clutch now. Brokey knows Nico's on the way. He has to get this frag. He has to get it now. JKS pulling him all the way back, allowing Nico to trade.
Cara, o hoxxi, cara. O hoxxi, então. O hoxxi, cara. Olha o hoxxi, velho. Olha o hoxxi, velho. Olha o hoxxi.
Ele tá da vítima!
Ó, você viu que, cara, ó lá, ele tá falando what the fuck, nem ele sabe o que tá acontecendo, Apocão, nem ele sabe, ele terminou o round falando what the fuck. Olha...
Mano, mais um round que a G2 vira, cara. Mais um por mérito do hoxxi, velho.
Caramba, velho.
Vai tirar
tipo
over.
Assim, eu acho que tira over. A gente dá pra jogar arroz e feijão na Inferno e na Mirage, mas se o cara tiver com tática forte na over, não tem nada, é meio complicado.
Então tá.
Entre Miragem, qualquer entre Miragem e Inferno é bom pra nós, pô.
Não, então, eu tô falando, vai tá over, né? Vai tá over, a gente vai ter.
É isso.
Caralho!
O time vai aprontar aqui o Bart 4K. Tá.
Parabéns, Zé!
Que beleza, velho, que beleza. A gente manja demais, né, velho, mano? Tá aí, velho, que beleza. Olha, alô, garotinho, se bobear dá pra você pegar esse último mapa pelos caras, tá?
Brincadeira, vou pegar uma água. É inacreditável que quando você quer descansar...
Não quero alastrar, mas assim, tem jogadores que se tem a oportunidade de pegar aqui no round, é melhor pegar, não é isso?
É, velho.
É, eu fico com essa impressão, velho. Pô, você tem uma oportunidade de pegar aqui no round, pega logo.
For ZywOo once he gets that plant, but he's going to have to pull out an unreal clutch in this 1v3.
Well, it began with an unreal shot, but does he have more like it in the tank? Fnatic don't want to give him 1v1s. Crims with that jiggle has given ZywOo a chance. My God, he's a ZywOo, the best in the game, steps up with 4 unbelievable scenes here.
A close one. First map was already incredibly intense. 16-14 win for FaZe in the end. If Liquid were to win over Burst... Oh, hello. Twists, a little frustration shown. Roman straight over.
The disbelief.
Should we cast? You cast the left, I'll cast the right.
All right, go on. Oh, Score, he's up on the A side.
He's got the smoke ready to drop down the main. Greyhound, they're about to push into this side.
1v2 on the card.
Bombs outside A, they got
this guy does his best work. Molly goes in and now looking for a way, but just falling short. Comeback still on the cards for Pain as they go up onto 11.
He dives up heaven. Who won the round?
Map pick, this one's keeping top of the barreling towards A.
Oh my goodness, yeah, not waiting any time here on that end side of things. They're going super aggressive, going to go 1-for-1, tracking down this final player on the A-bomb site in the form of Sammy. Missing all his shots, but he does get one off at the end. He's going to get a reload in here, and they are just all around him. Sammy, though, somehow still managing to find frag. Gets the knife out and takes down Snappy. What have I just witnessed on the A-bomb site? Ends with an absolute mare, and Sammy...
Utility inside an A site, a vacant site for this defense. 15 seconds, they're hanging on to B, and here it comes. Dark push first. Last time Drop went big from here. This time, it's Yuri's turn. We've got 6 seconds, and Safe comes out. Now, I don't think there's time for that plan. He just has to survive. Hold on. Standing on useless. Drops it, hits both shots, and gets Fury of 15.
Oh, and those are after time deaths as well.
Beleza, Nath. Já sabe onde tá o último. Que isso? Que
é
isso?
Brincadeira isso, cara.
Que?
Meu amigo do céu.
Vai se ferrar, cara. Tem
Aí
gente que ainda escreve que os caras não estão dando
tão
bala,
trocando.
cara.
Pois é, Pocão.
Pega o meio. Volta.
Passou pra você.
Vai comemorar no ban.
Caraca.
Toma o Gaules pick.
Caraca, filha.
Tá no meio do caminho aí.
Aí, ó. Acho que. Olha só, rapaziada aí. Olha os abutres aí, velho.
É,
isso. Olha aí.
Pra comemorar, né?
Tem.
Pra comemorar, os abutres divertidos, porque eles não estão
Caramba! Tem sangue na água. Tem sangue.
What? Okay, you go into the sawhorse, this cubby. You aim at this dark spot. You see this dark spot right here?
Yeah.
Aim right there and use left click. God flash. Turn around, swing back. Okay, he wasn't peeking.
Well,
though.
if it's not there, he was rotating from
That's it.
left to right. It doesn't count.
No, but that's it though.
That was so lucky.
I'm serious. That's literally the best flash in the game.
Yeah,
I promise
he's
you.
box, right, Jelly?
I don't think so.
Yeah, he is.